Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today we are going to be doing another transformation. I'm very excited about this one. I love her style and her makeup. There are two looks I want to recreate that are my favorite, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I'm talking about Hailey Baldwin or Hailey Bieber. That feels really weird to say, I don't know why. I just got off of work not so long ago, finished having dinner. So this is what you're seeing. So I think the transformation will be more dramatic, at least that's my hope. So the first look I want to recreate, I believe, is a red carpet look. Is Vanity Fair like an event? I thought it was just a magazine. I don't know. And I'm very excited. So we're gonna start off with her hair. It's straight and it's got that cute little flip, and it's very not slicked back but slicked down the look. So I'm gonna be using some mousse as well to keep my hair parted and looking similar to hers. So I finished doing the little flippy thingy. I still have a ways to go. I get hot very easily and I didn't want to have to change my shirt, but I feel like if I do my makeup first and put on the shirt, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm changing to that shirt and then I'll be right back to finish. Next is face. Y'all know I can go on and on about skincare, but make sure your face is nice and hydrated. First, primer. I'm a little bit intimidated, and I know I always start with the eyes, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows first just because that seems simpler to me right now. Let's just start off with what stays the same, which is the brows. I know my hair is black, but I'm gonna go in with a lighter brow pencil just to soften the look a little bit. I think my brows are bigger than hers, but I'm not shaving my eyebrows like last time. They're gonna stay how they are. What the friggity frack? All right, time for eyes. This is the part where I try to smudge my eyeliner. Like she has it smoked out. But I don't have gel liner, so this was basically impossible. I always struggle because my eyes are so small that if I made a wing that's small like hers, you wouldn't see the wing because of my hooded eyes, and then my eyes are just so small. While the liquid liner dries, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer and BB cream. She barely wears any blush, so I'm gonna put like a wee bit. Let me go ahead and do my lashes so I won't look so weird. Bronzer. She has a lot of bronzer and something else. Bronzer and highlight. There we go. Her highlight looks very natural, which hurts me because I love to glow, but we gotta do what it do. You can tell how disappointed I am because I cannot put on more highlight. Alright guys, here's look numero uno. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I feel glam as fuck and I'm ready to walk the runway. I feel super pretty, but this is look number one. Let me know how you guys think I did. And I started off with this one because I knew this one was going to be the most difficult. For the next look, the base stays the same, but the eyes change up a little bit. Second look, that's 4, but second look, like I said, it's the base is the same, the eyebrows too. So I'm just taking off. I'll reapply concealer and stuff. I know this is probably painful to see, but I started filming at around 7:30 and it's now 9:30, so I want to go to sleep. I got work tomorrow. This is look number 2. Feel like a bad bitch. Kind of feel like J-Lo or Kehlani. I'm feeling it though. Do you guys like it? I couldn't do the bun that she does because my hair is way too short. But I had so much fun creating all of these looks for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very fun to try and recreate these looks, and I'm living for it. And never did I ever think that I would be rocking like double hoops on each ear, and I'm kind of digging it. I fucking love it. What you guys think? What you think? I mean, I don't have cheekbones. That's alright. There you guys go. 2 recreations of different looks from Miss Hailey Bieber. Leave a comment down below letting me know how you think I did, or like this video, dislike it. I don't know, you do you, boo. But I don't know, nothing can take me down from this high right now. I nailed 2 looks in one day. I'm gonna hold the zippers because they make too much clanky noise for my double wave. But see you guys next week. Bye. I'm feeling myself. Now time to clean up the mess that I made in my bathroom. Because I'm a Virgo and I can't leave it till tomorrow. It has to be clean right now.